Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Motions Biz, and today I would like to discuss about the benefits of having a flagship checking account. And not many people talk about the flagship checking account with Navy Federal and its benefits. So let's discuss that topic right here. And why should you consider doing or opening a flagship checking account with Navy Federal? And many of you already have checking accounts with Navy Federal that has been there for a long time, but has never really considered opening a flagship checking account. And why is that? Why is it beneficial to do so? Now, the flagship checking account is a road to you being able to get the flagship credit card as well. The flagship checking account requires a daily balance of $1,500 and it has no monthly fee. But let's say you have a checking account, but you do not always have $1,500 a day to maintain in that account. And that is okay because you know what? All you have to do is pay a $10 monthly fee to maintain that checking account. So anyone can really open a flagship checking account, and this is provided by Navy Federal. Now, you already have a checking account and you would like to switch to a flagship checking account. That would be very easy to do. All you have to do is call Navy Federal on the 24-hour customer line, or you can even just message them on the app and you can convert your existing everyday checking account into a flagship checking account. The flagship credit card is sometimes a little harder to get than most of the Navy Federal credit cards. And why is that? It requires very good to excellent credit, and it also requires a very good credit profile with Navy Federal, good internal credit score. But it's not impossible for a Navy Federal member to graduate into the flagship credit card to do that. And why is the flagship credit card desirable? There are many benefits to the flagship credit card.
And you can earn 30K bonus points and a low intro APR on purchases. And it's still saying on their website that there is a free year of Amazon Prime reimbursement for the flagship credit card. But according to my latest communication with them, this may not be available in 2023. So hopefully, if members demand it, and there's over 10 million strong, I think they may bring it back like what they did last year. So let's hope for that. And this is the reason why Navy Federal is likely to give you access to the flagship credit card when you have a high balance on your checking account. Because, of course, Navy Federal is still a lending institution and a credit union, and they make money off of those daily balances that you keep there. And that's the reason why they can get very generous with you with a flagship credit card if you have a flagship checking account. So on the side of the flagship checking account, this is what Navy Federal offers: the tiers of your deposit, of your daily balance, and the APY that they offer. Although, just to be honest, I'm not really a big fan of keeping all your funds in the bank and wait for it to gain interest, because for me, there's just a lot more ways to grow your money without having to wait for the banks, what they give you.
If you already have the flagship checking account, do share your experience here so our new members, our new community members, or new Navy Federal members can also learn from your experience and from your feedback and from your insight into having a flagship checking account and more benefits that you can get from it. I very much value your input and your insight here. So again, this is Motions Biz and sharing this information with you. And until next time,